because the Henry Strickman series is on Steam.
Oh my God, I
It's
can't.
not a sponsored podcast.
This
This
is
is
not
not
a
a
sponsored
sponsored
podcast.
podcast.
But please sponsor us if you're willing, please.
मुझे पैसा चाहिए please.
Yeah, and
But
we have our sponsor head here, Rahul.
Yes.
yeah, what
Who
am I sponsoring?
no
I
sponsor head as in the one who approaches people.
yes,
Like
but
if they want to sponsor more and
yes,
stuff like that.
please
May,
anything.
may, Maybe one day we'll talk about Rahul's terrible sponsorship experiences
Hey
on a
bro,
different
bro, it's not
podcast.
terrible. It's not terrible. It's revolutionary. We should
And
have a Photoshop.
inspirational.
We should have a Photoshop
See,
101 on how to approach sponsors by Rahul Satish.
see, that's the thing. I'm a doormat when it comes to like asking people about stuff.
Hey, if you think
Like
that
because
you're a
I don't like
doormat,
asking
obviously
people
people
for
will think
things.
you're a doormat.
Bro, what kind of doormat? So like if like
It's
when I
like the one
enter,
that's like welcome on it, no? That one.
yeah, welcome.
Right,
It's
that one.
nice, bro.
Yeah,
Please
it's
give
all
us more
aesthetic and
money.
all that. Okay. But the thing is,
It's
whenever
step
like
on.
I go to a person and ask them for something, I'm like, please, anything. I can't ask people for things. Right. And that's the thing. In sponsorships and all that, speaking of which, when you go to a person and you go to them, how are you supposed to approach them? You're like, give me money. What is that supposed to be? It's
Okay,
like,
we will reserve this for a future podcast episode on how to get sponsorships. You can trust us because we got sponsorships.
yeah, boy.
Stay tuned on HXB, guys.
All
हाँ,
right.
मस्त
But
है
moving
बिल्कुल
back
बोला.
to Henry
Browser games.
Stickman and browser
Yeah.
game. Oh my God. Isn't that one of the best games to ever
Bro,
come out of a browser?
God, like, bro.
Dude,
Like,
like on the
I
same level
mean,
as like, yeah, go
yeah,
ahead.
Newgrounds and uh, Miniclip and Zapak used to be my home, bro.
Yeah.
ओ ब्रो
Like,
जपैक मैं खेलता था ब्रो मस्त है ब्रो जपैक भी खेलता था मैं
क्या
अभी
खेलता
याद
था?
आया
तेरे को थप्पड़
Uh,
मारेगा, तू
there,
खेलेगा बोलेगा लेकिन तू बोलता नहीं है क्या खेला.
I think
अरे मेरे
he was
wait
playing something we
Zapak
were
में
not supposed to talk about.
no Zapak में I used to play that there was a tennis game
अच्छा.
like I obviously don't remember the
Are you
name
talking about stick tennis?
I guess but then I don't remember the
Because
names
all the browser games I've played are all stick related.
Oh my God.
हाँ
See,
my,
that's
that
yeah. Go ahead,
and
Rishi.
then my like the most common game which I played in like Zapak or Miniclip was parking games. I either used to park cars, bus, or planes. Yeah,
I
it
don't,
was
I
fun,
don't,
bro.
I don't think you park planes, bro. I think you land them.
Arey, bro, you just land them. You you tow them to the what do you call it? The
Hanger.
bridge, yeah, and stuff. I mean that wala parking. You just don't land and keep it on the runway.
See, but
Dude,
stick
parking.
games are brilliant. I'll tell you this. Stick games and stick animation at the time when it was out was like, people really at that time did not have that many resources commonly to start making videos and animations like in high detail as we can now. Right. For example, if you go to like Adobe After Effects and all of that, now you can do all sort of things. If you go onto Photoshop, you can do stuff, but animation at that point was very limited, especially for the young audience that really love to make it, especially the ones that frequented Newgrounds and all of that. Okay, if you look at this person, Alan Becker, right? He created a series called Animation versus the Animator versus the Animation, which is basically him
Oh
as the
yeah, yeah,
animator,
yeah. That was
right?
so good.
It's still going on. He has a YouTube channel right now. He still makes videos.
Oh,
Okay, he has 11.9 million subscribers
I didn't know
now.
that.
Exactly. So he basically makes it where he's animating the stick figure, and then the stick figure realizes that it's being animated, and then it starts fighting with the mouse on the screen. Right. And you know how crazy that is to, and also the amount of like fluid motion that you can see from animations at that point was never heard of. I've never seen anything that existed even to that close of a level until like these people got involved.
Dude, one of my favorite games was Heist 2. Has anybody played Heist, this Heist series? Okay, so it was about the series where you had to drive a car and escape from. Okay, no. First, you had to hire a group, alright? After hiring a group, you had to go into a bank, you had to unlock the safe, then you would come out of the bank, and there would be immediately cops on you. And then you had to drive away from the cops, and you had weapons like oil spills and turrets on your on the top of your car and stuff like that. Dude, that was a great game. I mean, the level of progression, the actual gameplay mechanics that they had implemented in those browser era games, the Adobe Flash era games, was amazing. And I even played this, the Fancy Pants Adventures, and then of course we had the Henry Stickmin series, which is like a godlike series in my eyes.
What
And
about Rage?
Yeah, and the only running from co-op game that I played wasn't a browser game, it was Subway Surfers, and it was fun, bro.
that is like the lowest tier of game I can imagine, bro.
Endless running.
Bro, because it came free on my phone, I was like, what is this game? Let's play. And then you like swipe and then they jump.
Yeah, but like
and
this,
stuff.
the moment like touchscreens became a thing, the the entire like mobile gaming thing just became such a trend. Temple Run, one of
Bro,
those
bro,
things.
Angry Birds.
Clash of Clans,
Angry Birds. Oh god.
Clash of Clans Town Hall 10, and then I quit the game, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
damn.
Clash of
I
Clans.
I
reached
quit it
Town
down
Hall
also
9.
then.
Bro,
See, but that's
Town
the
Hall
thing.
10, and I had an experience of 150 or 160. I was like, Raja tha main, bro.
And also, we don't have Shreyas here, and he'll feel very
Yeah.
sad that we are talking about browser games in the first place.
Oh, yeah. We'll
Yeah,
bring up
so,
browser games again. We'll have a part
Guys,
2 of that.
browser games podcast part 2, hit like.
Like, subscribe,